All right, we're going to start with this one. All right, cut her in half, right down the middle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at that serpentine. Beautiful green. Didn't fracture on me yet. All right, and here's our second piece here. Gorgeous green. This will polish up really nice. I'm excited. Nice. Cut this one here. See what we get. It's an interesting rock we found by the river. All right, we cut it right in half. Ended up finding this next alongside the river here. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I gotta wipe that off. Wow. The serpentine in that. This stone is going to polish very nicely. Wow. All right, so we're going to cut this Kentucky agate right in half. All right, we cut it in half. Let's see. Ooh. Definitely got some agate in there. Kentucky agate. Some quartz. Super, super cool. Okay, we're going to cut this Tuxedo lace agate today to see what's inside. It's already a beauty, but let's cut it in half. right in half. Let's see what we got in this tuxedo lace agate. Ooh, wow. Look at the agate in that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So cool. Alright, so for today we've got this Kentucky agate again, and we're going to go kind of right down to the center and see what we got inside. Alright, we did a right in half on this one, on this Kentucky agate. So let's see. Whoa, whoa. Wow. This will polish up very nicely. Again, Kentucky agate. Cool.